There really is nothing nicer than lifting your own fresh potatoes straight from the ground, and slugs too. So it's mid-July. And let me show you what I'm doing. About planting my winter potatoes while we're at it. So this is a variety called Setanta. It's a blight resistant variety, and there's some old tubers that I had literally at the back of the press sprouting, saying please let me grow. The compost I'm using is from the compost heap, so you can see it's pretty well broken down there, and of course I'm enriching it then with lots of fish blood and bone. So it's an experiment. We'll see how they go. 3 more here and 3 more here. All different varieties. So here we are. Christmas potatoes, or should I say winter potatoes planted. So we'll see how they get on. The fact that we're having a nice warm summer should mean that sprout reasonably well and reasonably quickly and put on some growth. I know in previous years I've had mixed success depending on how well they actually do.